Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds Libratone Track Air Plus with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and now go to Bluetooth. After that open the charging case and the headphones should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold this connection button for at least 2 seconds. Now this LED light starts blinking and we can see that the device list. Click on it. And after that, these headphones ask us to add the right one, so click also pair. Okay, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!